I have looked at this for a while and thought about it, and I don't like how it looks, so I cut a piece of fabric that I'm just going to match up and glue down. And that's what I'm doing, and I think it will look better. I'm just going to put glue all over the whole thing. So it's going to go just like this, and hopefully match up everywhere. I think I need a little smidgen off here. I think it'll look better. So that is what I'm doing. I'm going to put glue all over this side and just patch it in. I don't know why I didn't think of that in the first place. But I didn't, but I did now. And I gotta make sure I don't get glue on my front cover there. Here we go. I think it was gonna go this way. Was it? Was it? Yeah. Gotta match it up as best I can. What do you think? Is that better? Or I could do it this way. No, that's not going to match up. Okay. It still doesn't match up perfectly, but that's okay. Oh, doesn't match up perfectly on the bottom. Jeepers. Alright, that's the best I'm going to get it, and I still think it looks better than what I had before, so that's going to stay there. Put some glue down. Make sure it stays. Oops. Oops. Don't fold in on yourself. Okay. Alright. There. Much better. I like that much better. And there it is. I will, of course, put something here to cover up my raw edges, which actually are pretty darned straight. But I do have some vintage rickrack, and I'll be back. So I have got my book together, and I'm just looking for end papers. I found this vintage, really wide rickrack that I'm going to put right here on both the front and the back. I don't think I have enough to wrap it all the way around though. But now I'm trying to see what papers would kind of go with the spine, and I'm feeling like I don't really want so much white. And this is pretty, but I think, I don't know, I think it's kind of too busy. But that is a contender. Then we have the yellow, which, I don't know, I don't like the yellow with it. Here's another pretty leafy one. That's kind of busy too, but also a contender. I do like it. I think there's 3 of every design in this book. This is, yeah, there's 3 pages. Autumn Blaze, and I got it at Michael's a couple years ago, maybe. This is kind of pretty. I think that would go better than anything I've looked at so far. Don't like that with this. You don't like that with that either. Not that. I do like the orange. It's kind of a reddish orange, but I think it's too dark. So I think I don't want blue. I don't like the marbleized. Don't like pink. I think this is going to be it. Yes, this is going to be it. I think I like that match the best. So let's see how much I need of it to cover. Did I take out 2 pages? Yes, I did. I'm wondering if I can get away. I think I can get away with just 1 piece. And then Yeah, I'm sure I can. Cut it here. I've also got this that I just got, and I'm going to use this as my these pages as my pages for my signature. I don't think I'm going to put any kind of other blank papers in. And let's see. I gotta make sure I'm not getting too close to the fold, and I am not. Okay, so I think, let's measure this here. Yeah, that would be fine. So I'm gonna make that one the same width. Let's see, make sure they're both kind of going in the same direction. I guess it doesn't really matter though. Let's mark this one off. And when I get these all cut, we'll glue them on. Alright, so I did round the corners and inked with potting soil around the edges. And now I'm just going to use some Fabri-Tac and glue down my end papers. I'm not going to bother spreading these out. This paper is pretty thick, so I'm just going to put it down, make sure all my raw edges are covered, and then I'm going to take my little Dollar Tree squeegee. I got to make sure this is straight. It's not. I think that's straighter. And just going to put that down good. Alright, and now we'll do this side. Oh, the motorcycles are out, I think. It is a beautiful day here. It started out cold, but now, I mean, we can go outside without our jackets on, and it's October 21st. Oh my gosh. Well, used to be years ago that we would be having snow by now. So, it's so different now than it used to be. So if I was using a thinner paper, you would see a ridge where all the fabric stops underneath it. And that's why sometimes the less fabric you have, maybe the better if you're using a thinner paper. And also you might want to make sure your fabric is super straight when you do that. So there's that. Now let's get our rickrack on, and I probably will put some kind of focal point on the cover, but I don't know what yet. That will have to be a surprise. So what I'm going to do is just put a little line of glue on the seam here, like the edge right here. Not too thick, but not too thin either, because this is quite thick. I've never seen rickrack this wide before. I think I need to move this stuff over. I don't want to get glue on the wrong side of it. I think that's pretty straight. Okay. As long as it's covering my seams. See, I should have pulled that out. Oh, cheapers. That did not work out as I had hoped. Okay. There is a little glue on the wrong side. Rickrack is hard to glue down because it zigzags. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Is that the right side? Yeah. For one split second, I was scared I was putting it on the inside for some reason. Forgot I put the... Oops. I forgot I had put the end papers down. Okay. that looks pretty good. Move that up just a little. Okay. There we go. We'll let that dry, and I think this will conclude this portion of my building my journal, and when we come back we'll do the signatures. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.